Hi everyone, in today's episode we're going to talk about hair dye and the effect that this has on hair loss. So stick around.
Welcome to the Hair Loss Show. Dr. Russell Knudsen and Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash discuss issues relating to hair loss and the medical and surgical treatment of hair loss in both men and women.
Hi everyone, Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash here. Thanks again for watching the Hair Loss Show. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. So one of the questions that get asked commonly is, well, if I dye my hair, is this going to be a problem? Does using hair dye regularly make my hair loss worse? And the answer, generally speaking, is no. All right, so if we're talking about androgenic alopecia, then the effect of dyeing the hair has no effect on the progression of that condition, because that condition is genetically mediated. There's a hormonal component as well. And so this hair essentially is dead, so applying hair color or applying dye to that area is not going to affect that process that causes androgenic alopecia in the first place. However, there's a few caveats to that part of the conversation. Certainly some of the older hair dyes were a lot stronger. The ammonia-based hair dyes could strip the oils out of the hair, and in doing so make the hair quite brittle. And when the hair is brittle, what that means is that it can snap a lot easier. So you may experience breakages of the hair a lot more prominently than you would otherwise. So in that scenario, you can, in the short term, see a little bit more in the way of hair loss, but essentially that hair will continue to grow. Also, some of the things that I have experienced in the past is that on occasion, the application of the hair dye to the scalp, sometimes the application of the ammonia, the chemicals, has been quite strong and has caused actually burning of the skin. And in that scenario, there have been patches of chemical burns, which has resulted in hair loss. And the only way we've been able to manage that is by actually transplanting into that area. But I want to talk about one of the positive aspects of dyeing the hair, and that is the color. All right, so when we look at hair, if you've got someone like my hair, black hair, what it does is it reflects light back. As time passes, and if you've got grey hair allows the light to shine through and therefore looks more see-through. So if you've got someone who's got a lot of grey hair or has got grey roots, the hair may seem a lot thinner or a lot finer, but as soon as they dye their hair, the scalp and the hair automatically looks thicker. So there's the optical illusion and the camouflage. It's not that you've added more hair or done anything, but what you've done is you've actually just stopped the passage of light, and that can be a real boon for a lot of people. All right, so I hope that answers the question about hair dye. Generally, it's very safe, but some of the older chemicals can cause problems as well, but generally very good, no problems to use hair dye. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again on the next episode. Take care.